My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. It is the 2017 Eldest Majestic Peugeot Boxer. This motorhome has done just over 19,000 miles, has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the kitchen area, which is complete with a cooker, sink, microwave, oven and grill, and a fridge. Over here we have the bathroom, which has toilet, shower, sink and mirror. This motorhome is 2 belts, 2 berths. So from the pictures we can see that the 2 sofas transform into this double bed. We have lots of storage above. On the screen you can get quick access to Bluetooth, navigation, media and radio. We also have a parking camera. You put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.